Good evening, everyone. My name is Nayanang Mohandiram. I am the current chairman of IEEE Student Branch University of Jaffna. It is pleasure for me to be the one to welcome all of you, for this fabulous event, IEEE Under Harrier. First, I welcome our speaker, Ms. Ione Gunsekar. It's a privilege to have you with us for our first event in collaboration with Student Activity Committee of IEEE Sri Lanka section. Students of both engineering and science faculties and the committee members. This event is aimed to creating an awareness about IEEE to invite more and more students to join the IEEE fraternity. Our event is titled IEEE Under Harrier, and the happening of something to others. IEEE Under Harrier is announcing about what IEEE is. We hope that this event will be an interesting and intriguing to one to all of you here. And we believe that many will join IEEE student branch as brand new members and be part of the bigger IEEE community worldwide. Without further delay, I would like Miss, over to you.
So thank you, Nayananga. So I think you are the person who is student branch chair. So am I correct?
Yes, Miss Aini.
Yeah. Okay. So let's continue. So let's see what IEEE brings you. So what it stands for IEEE. So let's say Institute of Electrical and Electronics Engineering. So I think you have a Kahoot session as well. So am I correct, Nayananga? So I think all the participants should listen carefully, and I think you will get some prizes from Nayananga. Am I correct?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So I think remember these areas about IEEE. So IEEE means Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers. So that's stand for IEEE. Actually, the IEEE is the world's largest technical professional organization. So, as we know, there are 90 universities in the Sri Lanka have student memberships. So, actually, in the 39 technical societies, as well as the specified fields of interest, there are a lot of many things in all over the countries and all over the world. So these are the IEEE student branches in Sri Lanka. So we can see the your university also in there. So now 19 universities in Sri Lanka have IEEE student branches. So this is the under area. So we can see 19 universities in Sri Lanka currently happening the under area IEEE. So this greatest news is spreading all over in Sri Lanka with university students like you. So in under area in University of Jaffna is organizing like this. I mean the very good standard way, and I really appreciate who is Rupekshan, who is the design team lead, and actually very beautiful your designs and all. So I will let's move the next slide. So let's say who am I, and I came from University of Morato, and these are my background, and I'm from University of Morato student branch, and I did in there in women in engineering, as well as I did IEEE extreme programming competition as well. And so if I tell about what I did for the IEEE, so I was the chairman in IEEE Sri Lanka section in the Technometer 1920, as well as the logistic team lead SL Inspire in 1920. as well as the University Ambassador and SL Inspire 1920, and Program Committee in IEEE Techno Meetup Sri Lanka in 2018 and 19, as well as I volunteered these 3 IEEE Extremes, IEEE 13.0, 12.0, as well as 11.0. So if I tell about in my university background, so I did a member of affinity group, University of Moratuwa Women in Engineering, as well as we organized University of Moratuwa robotic competition. Actually, this competition was very first time organized for the women. So actually, most of the robotic competition are done by the men, and we organized for women at the first time. And these are the very first time leadership summit held in Sri Lanka in 2017. And once I worked with our student branch affinity group, and we won the prize. So with women in engineering. And if I tell about the Techno Meetup Sri Lanka in 1920, actually, these are the national projects in IEEE we had. And the other thing is in IEEE Techno Meetup, in 1920, we organized 8 meetups as well as one panel discussion. So a lot of people came for this these sessions. Actually, this was the meetup one. It was we talk about Industry 4.0, and the other thing is this also the Techno Meetup 2019-20. Okay, so while in the sessions and all, we are doing some fun things, and these are our friends now. So I think a lot of faces you can remember when IEEE, when calling about IEEE. So if I tell about what IEEE brings you, so normally, yes, we are going to university and participating for the lectures and coming back to the our boarding house or home and doing exams and likewise. But if I tell about as my experience, yes, I graduated from University of Moratuwa. But the thing is, once I went to the my career growth and career guidance, when I so many help for this IEEE to bring my extracurricular. So as I can say you that, so becoming an IEEEan, you can get a lot of professional mindset, as well as for the career, you can get more leadership skills. So I think while you are in the university tough environment, you can get more friends and more activities while do the university with IEEE. And also the academic resources and career guidance. Also the competitions, IEEE Extreme MATC. So you can see every October, we are doing IEEE Extreme. So it's, are you doing live? Right, I mean in Jaffna University also IEEE Extreme, as I can know. So the as well as award and recognitions. While when you are in a membership, you can get travel grants as well as the educational scholarships, as well as the conference and awards. So while you are in the volunteer, so these things you can get your professionally your career growth. Actually in the largest professional organization, you can access all those professional network collaborations, especially IEEE Collaborate Tech and IEEE TV, Facebook, Instagram. Those all of networking collaborations, here we can find ourselves. So the other thing is, when you are going for the academic resources and career guidance, a lot of IEEE related things have come in with us, especially e-learning courses and resume support and mentoring by senior members, especially when you are going with the taking with the IEEE membership. You can take a lot of things and lot of extracurricular things from your life as well as your career. So as I said earlier, this is the IEEE Extreme Programming Competition. Actually, in the worldwide, this is happening most of the time in Sri Lanka. So under 100 in our universities, students are taking their winners. So lot of they are taken a lot of gifts as well. So I'm encourage you to participating for the IEEE Extreme as well in this year. So actually as well as the IEEE MEDC. These are the awards and recognitions from we can take from the IEEE, and we are the region 10 papers, and especially for the COVID-19 also they are calling for the proposals, so you can apply for them, and also the video contest, and these things you can get from your projects and all. Especially they have travel granted, you can travel all over the around the world and for purposely related to the IEEE. So this is a great opportunity to for become IEEE. I will say how to become IEEE membership and how to take a membership. If I tell about a volunteer, the person who freely offer to take a part of an enterprise or undertake a risk. Actually, the volunteer is, we are not going any paid things. Actually, we are giving ourselves satisfaction. We are giving our freely our time and our money sometimes. So this is the volunteer. Who is the volunteer? If someone say about who is a volunteer, you should say I am a free person who can take a risk, and who is a undertake a risk. And also, as I said earlier, a person who work for an organization without being paid. So actually the without being paid, but it will be a very good advantage for your life and also your career life. So I think this is the thing. Once we are giving someone to the happiness, we can take a support. Actually, in the IEEE, we can meet a lot of friends and a lot of areas we can cover, and we can contact with lot of organizations related to engineers. So if we give something, we can take something from that thing. So if I tell, there are a lot of things to volunteer. So, but why we volunteer for IEEE? So these are the things why we volunteer for IEEE. Mainly, we can get confident for as a leadership. So how to work leading as a peers, especially how to handle people. So how to understand people, how to doing the well, how to handle people and how to motivate the people. These things we can do from IEEE, because we are organizing a lot of projects and lot of events while we are in the university, and after the Sri Lanka, when we are working in Sri Lanka section, likewise, and a lot of communities, especially in when I am from University of Morato, but I know a lot of people from other universities as well. So actually, this is a very large IEEE community. If I say, a lot of friends and a lot of people behind this IEEE, and if I say this IEEE peoples are the university spirit. Sometimes these peoples are doing educational things as well. Sometimes it's sports as well as IEEE. So actually, when we are doing the IEEE, as I saw last pictures, we are doing fun and make new things, and sometimes we are going outings. So likewise, we are doing when we are doing the IEEEs. Actually, when we are doing the projects and the activities, we can have our self motivation and how to time management, as well as the while we are doing some tasks, how to achieve the very big way to the project or something while we are studying. So like those things we can do with volunteering with IEEE. So if I tell about why IEEE is so special, it's actually the thing is IEEE is worldwide recognition company. So we can explore new opportunities as well as the you are not anymore fired. Actually, this is a non-paid organization, and you can give your voluntary support and experiments new things and trained by professionals, especially in Sri Lanka, have many professionals behind the IEEEs. So actually they have IEEE Center for Leadership Excellence, and also student leadership skills. You can worldwide volunteering community, you can. So these are the, while you are in the volunteering, these are the globally recognition awards. So Larry K. Wilson Recognition Student Activity Awards, and Daryl Chong Student Activity Award, and Branch Website Competition. These competitions are having every years. So if I'm telling that you are the student branch of DEFNA, but after the student branch of DEFNA, you can go for the section and also region. I'm also MGA. So don't stay with the student branch only. Go with the section and the region. I'm also the out of the region. So we are the region 10, and we are doing the membership activity and the technical activity. And we have young professionals as well as student members. But still you are in a student member, but after you're graduating, you can become a young professional. So that memberships are mostly also the industry. So I am from the IT industry. So as I can know, when I'm going for this position, they ask for the what did you do for the IEEE and how you handle the people. So actually, when I'm do the IEEE, actually I'm very short time I become a project manager because I had few experience about software engineering. So, but while in the software engineering, I got to this advantage with IEEE. So because I did IEEE Techno Meetup 1920, that that experience and people handling and organizing the things and time management, that helped me to become easily project manager. So they have IEEE President's Awards, and he's the person who 2020 IEEE President, and this person is the 2021 IEEE Presidents. And if you are tell that while you are in the undergraduate, you can participate it for the national projects. As I can said earlier, this is the Congress. So in this year also you can participate it for the Congress. So give your support to your members to participate. I mean the full of amount. I mean if you can participate 100 of people in your branch, that was a great achievement from your side. So the Congress is the very large thing. I mean the sectional we are happening the very big event, and this will be happen like 2 or 3 days. Actually, without virtually, I participated for the Koliyapitiya University Congress. Actually, that was great 3 days, and they had night events and sessions and Padru party likewise. So I invite you all for the this year Congress, and it will be great for you all. If it is happen in the Zoom or something, that will be very big event. So I invite you all to get to your membership and participate for the IEEE Congress. And the Innovation Nation. This is a very good thing for if you like to become an entrepreneur. Actually, this is if you are trying to start a new company, or if you want new mentoring from startup companies, you can take your that passion for this national projects. Every year they are calling for the volunteers. So this IEEE Innovation Nation is that one is all around the world. They are doing the projects. So this one is entrepreneur for always doing the Sri Lanka, and I can remember last year they got a big amount of prize for the first place and second place and third place. So don't give your opportunity, but do the volunteer as well as participate for the as a participant. This is the IEEE Techno Meetup Sri Lanka. So actually this logo is these logos are changing year by year. So this logo was 1920 logo. Actually, this is directly directly contact with the industry. As I can remember, we directly contact with. So if you are from IT industry, you can contact, you can get off lot of IT industry people, especially most of the we know WSO2 company and 99X and Coordgen, like those kind of tech peoples you can meet when you are participating for the IEEE Techno Meetup as well as the volunteering. So this was the very big daily basis what you are doing with the IEEE. You can participate for the IEEE Techno Meetup. Actually, this is in this for this participate in industry professionals as well as undergraduates. Lot of things we are talking about IT related topics, but that is becoming for the tech things and like quantum computing and electrical things. And as I can remember, once we are doing the IEEE Techno Meetup, we invited to the who invented the Vega car. So likewise, you can meet a lot of people. So I encourage you to participate those kind of national projects in Sri Lanka section. Don't stay in the in your branch activities, but go for the national projects with your highly I mean your undergraduate level. So if I tell how to get a student membership, so I think a lot of people in your branch have IEEE membership. I mean to be go for the IEEE.org, and I would say like 16th of August 2021 in this discount will be applied. So I think Nayananga, please share this information with your branch as well. From 16th of August 2021, you can apply for the student membership, and that for that in student membership you can get 50% discount. And if I say when you go for the that IEEE.org, you can see the join IEEE. In this website, go for one time and you can see a lot of things and lot of technological thing in your life. So I would say, and this is a pre-code for IEEE Industrial Electrical Society membership. If you want, I can share this these informations for. Actually, this is a free membership. You can take your membership free, and also I would like to say happy volunteering and stay connected with Sri Lanka section IEEE, and also volunteer portal. These are the links for volunteering. And also thank you so much, and happy IEEE. And I would like to thank you. So SB Chair Nayananga and Vice Chair Heshan and Event Chair Dilendra and editorial team lead Chamodi and program lead Pavitra and design team lead Rupekshan. And thank you so much University of Jaffna for thank you so much.
So it was such a worthy experience to hear from an expert like Miss Ayomi. And I'm thanking you very much for being with us today. And by now I think that, guys, now the time is yours. So if you still have any kind of questions or doubts to be clarified, so you can just simply put them in the chat box, or you can unmute yourselves and ask them directly from Miss Iomi. Guys, the time is yours, but be quick because the time is also limited. So we have the first question. Is IEEE only for IT and engineering related students?
Yes. Actually, yes.
So we got
Actually,
the
in
answer.
UA University, I mean, from Minister Morato, but in University have, I mean, the what type of areas? Mostly in the technological side, especially for the engineering as well as likewise, but mostly for the IT and engineering, especially for the trickle, tronic, and likewise.
The next question, does IEEE allow their members to participate in competitions held by other committees?
Yes, actually, yes.
Okay, then the next question is IEEE only for making standards to technology sector?
I think we didn't answer for the what kind of circumstance that IEEE considered when nominating standards. So actually, the only thing is you can get a membership and apply for the national projects. That is the only thing you can do, and the very small thing and the best thing, and take a membership, student membership after August 16. So you can divide 50% discount for the total price, total price.
So moving on to the next question, what kind of circumstances that IEEE considered when coming standards?
Yeah, okay. Actually, as I said earlier, actually I gave the answer for this. This circumstances is when you are taking your membership, the student membership, you can go for any national projects volunteering. So that is the only thing for taking from your side, taking the student membership, as well as you can participate for the IEEE Extreme as well. So every year, every October, we are doing the IEEE Extreme in Sri Lanka. So you can participate for it. But the only thing is you need to take a membership. So the student membership. So that's why I told you in this year, August 16, so after the August 16, you can take 50% discount from the total price. So you can participate for the national project, and those kind of things you can take from IEEE.
So Ms. Iomi, thank you for joining with us today and for also clarifying all those doubts and answering those questions, and thank you. So now we are gonna move to the a beautiful item. So I think that's better to watch, not to tell. So it's over to you, Virendra. So that was awesome, right? I think then after that, I think by now you have may become a kind of bored and hearing to these features. And also, now we're gonna move to the icebreaker tonight, and that is a Kahoot game session. So I would like to cordially invite Mr. Eranga to join us with the Kahoot game session.
Thank you, Mr. Akida. Hi, good evening, everyone. I hope you got many things about the IEEE. Now I am going to have a Kahoot session. Mr. Dilendra will share the screen and I will explain how to do the Kahoot session. If you know the if you have a Kahoot app, you can use the app. But if you don't have the app, you can just simply go to the www.kahoot.it and uh, use the pin. I think Mr. Dilendra will share the screen. Mr. Dilendra, right? Now you can see the game pin on the screen. It's 803393. By using this game pin, you can enter the game. You can simply go to the www.kahoot.it. No need to installations, just simply use it. And also, you can find the link in the chat box. You can go through it to the app Kahoot. You can use your name or a nickname. It's over to you. Okay, we have 15, 16 members now, 17, 18. Come on, guys. 22 now. We have 197 participation. So we need more. Right, we have Tilina, Ghost, Viraj, Vishmika, Sandhu, Tilina, Ajustan, Kushan, 3940, Tanuja, Champ. Champ is coming to the game. Right, we'll see now. 49. Come on, guys. We have 199 participations. Go, take your mobile and go to the www.kahoot.it and type game pin 803393. Okay, Pasindu, Banuka, Sandali, Ajantan, 64 now. Right, come on, guys. 67, 68. At least we need 150. Come on, guys. Nearly we have 200 and participation installations. Simply you can use it in the website. 72 now. At least we need 120. Come on, guys. Don't think about many about this. Just simply, it's for fun, only fun. Simple questions we are asking. 86 now. Come on, guys.
So guys, join quick, no hesitations at all, just to have
Yes.
fun.
Sajit, Lakshana, Gayan, Mac, Nixon, Adrang. Come on, guys. Tarusha, Congress Lot, GMZ, TM. Come on. CJ. Nice names, guys. Atik. No need to use your name. You can use any nickname, but appropriately. 95 now. 94. JK, Nico, right? Nice names.
Just 3 more to go. Make it 100,
Yes.
guys. Yeah,
Come
now
on,
it's
guys,
99.
come on. Let's
100.
NC. Yes. Hurry up. Oh, we lost one. 99 one. Now.
So make it 100, yeah. Make it
Yes.
100, make it 100. 100. Yeah, that's perfect. 101.
Okay, now it's 101. Can you guys know game now? Mr. Dilendra, shall we go now? It's 106, 7, 8. $109. Okay.
Okay. I think we can start, Ranga.
Yes, you can. You can start the game. Dilendra, Mr. Dilendra. Be ready, guys. First question. Which is the IEEE logo? Very easy question. It is very easy. You have 10 seconds, 4 seconds, 3 seconds. Come on, come on, come on. Right, we got 75 answers and 68 are correct. Well done, guys. This is the IEEE logo. Okay, let's go to the leaderboard now. Right, JK is the top and followed by Sakshi, Divya, and Sachinda. Okay, let's go to the next question. Number 2, what does IEEE stand for? What does IEEE stand for? Yes, come on, guys. 5 more seconds. 3 more seconds. Okay. 25 got correct answer, but Institute of Electronical and Electrical Engineers, it's not Institute of Electrical and Electronic Engineers. Okay, guys, let's go ahead. Okay, Ravana and Tanu, Nipun come to the up, and next we'll go to the next question. Find the missing number. This is not a IEEE related question. This is a general knowledge question. Simply mathematics. You have 11 seconds. Find the answer. Okay, right. Many of you got the correct answer. It's 18. Okay, let's go to the leaderboard. Right, JK is still top and followed by Ravana, Kuga, Bleach, Tanu. Right, next question.
JK is on fire, right? JK is on fire.
Yes. Come on. Number 4. IEEE Sri Lanka section is in region 3. Do you think is it correct or wrong? Is it true or false? Right, it's false. The IEEE Sri Lanka section is in region 10. It's not region 3, right? Many of you got the correct answer. Okay, let's go to the leaderboard. Right. Ravana come to the top of the leaderboard and followed by JK. Okay, let's go to the next question. In which country is the 2021 Olympics happening? in which country 2021 Olympics happening? You can choose the correct flag. There is a big clue. You can find it. You can get the correct answer. Okay, well done, guys. It's Japan. Yeah, 82 got the correct answer. Okay, let's go to the leaderboard. Yes, Viraj come to up and still Ravana and JK, Cougar in the top. Okay, let's go to the next question. IEEE has how many members? You may got the answer in this event also. How many members IEEE has? Okay, 3 more seconds, 1 more seconds, time up. It's over 400,000 members has IEEE has. Okay, 57 got the correct answer. Congratulations. Let's go to the leaderboard. Okay, Sachinta and Roshika come to the back, up, and Ravana is top on the leaderboard. Let's next question. Where is the IEEE headquarters located? Is it Washington DC, New York, New Jersey, California? There's a big clue. If you got that, you can easily find the answer. But 102, 4, 5 answers. Time up. Yes, it's New York. 48 got the correct answer. Let's go to the leaderboard. Okay, Ravana is the top, and Kuga, Mayura, Tanu, Malshika coming to the up. Okay, right. Let's go to the next question. Question number 8. It's a double point question. What is the total number of dots in a dice? The general knowledge question. You can quickly find the answer. Okay, it's 21. 20 people got the correct answer. Okay, let's go ahead. Ravana is the top and JK followed by Fletch, NZ, Peach. Okay, let's go to the question number 9. Who is the chair of the IEEE Sri Lanka section? Who is the chair of IEEE Sri Lanka section? Dr. Rasara Samarasinghe, Mr. Dhammika Marasinghe, Dr. Maheshi Isanayake, Dr. Ruwan Gopra. There's a big clue. You can easily get the correct answer. 102 answers. Yes, 49 got the correct answer. It's Dr. Maheshi Disanayake is the chair of this IEEE Sri Lanka section. Okay, let's go. Ravana is the top, and Peach, Mayura come to the up. Okay, let's go to the question number 10. How many chapters does the IEEE Student Branch University of Jaffna has at the moment? Is it 1, 2, 3, or 4? How many chapters does the IEEE Student Branch University of Jaffna? Okay, 42 got the correct answer. It's 3. In the IEEE Student Branch University of Jaffna has 3 chapters and 1 affinity group. Women in Engineering is an affinity group, not a chapter. Okay, let's go. So final question. Ravana go to the down and Fletch Dilax, Mayura, Ravana. Okay, guys, let's go to the final question. It's not related. It's about the session. How do you feel about today's event? We hope your answers. 89. Come on, guys. You can freely. Okay, excellent. 74, good, excellent, and 30 is saying good, and 9 saying not bad, and 3 of saying bad. Okay, thank you very much. It's very good your expressions, feelings about the today's session. Okay, let's go to the leaderboard. Third place, Mayura, and second place is Dilax. First place is Flitch. Congratulations, Flitch. You got 6,837 points, 7 out of 11. And Dilax and Mayura, both of you also congratulations. Okay, guys, thank you very much for entertaining with us. I hand over the session to Mr. Akita. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ranga, for that fabulous session. And then I would like to congratulate Fletch, I don't know, FLCH, I think that is pronounced as Fletch, and Dilax, and Mayura for your performance. And I thought that the winners would be Ravana or JK, but I don't know what happened. And congratulations to Fletch, Dilax, and Mayura. So then the other thing. So what do you feel of the event in that we saw that 74 said that the session is excellent? I don't know. So now we are here to collect some feedbacks from you. So guys, so we have uploaded a feedback form for you, so you can give it a try and just fill it and give your genuine ideas on today's session. So meanwhile, I want to remind that please use the background we have sent you in your as the video background. And meanwhile, while you are filling the feedback form, I would like to cordially invite Mr. Dilendra Tennakon, the project chair, to give you the word of thanks.
Thank you, Akita. Right, so good evening, everyone. We are at the end of yet another successful event, and I would like to thank our speaker, Ms. Ayomi Gunasekara, for the insights of IEEE, the wonderful session, and her time and effort. And also, we have prepared a token of appreciation for our speaker. So I kindly request our speaker, Ms. Ayomi Gunasekara, to accept our virtual token of appreciation. So once again, thank you, ma'am, for being our speaker for today's session. And I also thank SAC of IEEE Sri Lanka section for co-hosting this event with us. I believe that we were able to increase the enthusiasm and interest on IEEE of everyone here. And I'm sure that almost every one of you are surely willing to take or renew IEEE membership. I also thank our head of department, Mr. S. Sudaha, and our counselor, Dr. A. Ramanan, for their guidance and support in everything we do. The executive committee of our student branch also deserves a big thank you, and especially our chair, Nayananga Muhandiram, our vice chair, Heshan Nayanajit, and EXCO member, Mayuru Rajakaruna, for their continuous support throughout the event. I'm also extremely happy to have worked with such a wonderful team And I thank each and every one of you for all that you did in making this event a success. Lastly, I thank all the participants for attending the session and hope that our session was informative and beneficial to you in some way. And also, since we have many new people attending our event who are non-IEEE members, who are prospective IEEE members who we think will definitely join our IEEE fraternity, I'd like to say that we will be having some more events for the for about 1.5 months ahead, and so into the future. And I hope that you will stay along with us, participate for all of that, and take IEEE membership and add value to your personality, to your character, and to you as a person. So thank you, everyone. And over to Akita.
Thank you, Mr. Dilendra. So now we have arrived to the end of the event, but guys, don't leave. You have to do something, you know that. So we have to take the group photo. So guys, just turn on your camera and face the screen with a smile. So Ms. Pavitra, ready to take the capture?
Yeah, ready.
So when I say 3, just give a best smile you can. 1, 2, 3, smile.
Thank you all for joining.
Okay. So now you can turn off your camera, and thank you for that. So now guys, thank you for joining with us today. And now we have come to the end, and good night, take care, and we shall meet you soon in another session. And good night, thank you.